Try it.
You see, I tried it.
How was it?
Right? You like sour
No,
try
I
it.
don't like butter. Not at all.
I'm going to tell Mommy on you and I like
I haven't liked butter in almost 35
Mommy,
years.
Daddy likes butter.
No.
Try bite.
Oh, sad things. I've tried a bite.
You try another bite.
Try a bite.
You know,
Mommy,
you mess.
Daddy's not trying the elephant. You guys, Mommy, you're going to lose him. Daddy, you're going to win him. And me and you win.
Dance party.
Look at all these pictures.
Wow.
So this is the beginning of the construction.
Yeah, look at all that concrete they had to pour. Is that wild?
That's a slide.
Yeah.
Almost.
Oh no, they beat.
Look at this guy.
Wow.
Look at
For it to come out because that guy was sick.
Ooh, look, it turns on. That's pretty cool.
So this tower.
I had it in Vegas for less than $100. It's just me and you. Looks like it's made of Lego.
Teaser view, right? Because we're gonna get a great view up top, and here's a little bit as we go up. Part of the ocean right out here, the Puget Sound. You see we got a ferry boat leaving, one coming in far out, a couple other little commercial ships traveling.
Feeling just popping.
Pretty active day for us. Those mountains over there are the Olympic Mountains, so they sit all the way out on the peninsula of Washington.
Wow.
Pretty far away from here. Mount Rainier is hiding today, but it may come out because you never know. It would be to the right side of all of our buildings, towards the south-southeast. Sometimes you'll see a little peak.
Is it on?
Yeah.
But not today.
Maybe not.
There we
You
go.
could wait 10 minutes.
I want to go down. Please, I want to go down. Well, Dale.
What do you see?
This way something like this. Let's go. Come on, guys. It's spider. Not real spider. Spiders are fake. Let's go somewhere else.
Oh, these are those things I saw last night.
Oh yeah. That's pretty cool. Charlotte, smile.
Henry, come stand over here with Charlotte. I want to get a picture of you. Henry.
Yeah. Come on, buddy, you can do it. Don't be scared. I know it's scary. Charlotte, come back on. Come on. It's okay. No, it's good. Yeah, hold my hand.
No.
You sure? Look, see, Daddy's on it. Look, Daddy's okay. Go. Come
Go,
on.
Char.
Come on, Charlotte. Ready? Wait! Whoa! See? There you go.
You did it.
She's so unsure.
You did it, Bud. I'm
High
proud
five.
of
Good
you.
Job. Come on, come on, do it. Scaredy cats.
I shouldn't have looked down.
Just keep walking towards me. Look at me.
Henry,
Henry, come over. Ready?
Mama do it?
Mama.
Bye-bye.
Look, mommy and dad are on it.
Charlotte, get up.
Yay, you did it! Good job! Look, here she goes, she's wandering. Charlotte. Charlotte.
Charlotte.
Sorry. Charlotte. Charlotte, come over here, honey.
Watch out. Watch out.
Lower, we'll get more sunshine coming in as well.
Whee! Wow, there's the music owl.
Do we have fun up there?
There's the lake.
Yeah, it was really fun. You're welcome.
You're going
If you
down?
want to, don't have to, but if you'd like. Did anyone have questions? Was there anything you saw outside or didn't see? Anything you wondered?
That's one of the poles.
Cool.
Is that Rainier we see peeking up over the clouds?
Not quite. You're looking at the right spot, but those are clouds.
Oh, okay.
I know that sounds like I'm making it up, but I've seen that mountain so many times. It does really blend in with the
Look at the
clouds.
music owl. How cool it looks.
But there are particular shadows from the various
This is a
bridges, so I
golden.
can tell you
Oh,
that
this
is
is
cloud
a
right now.
golden one.
But you're looking in the right direction. That is where Rainier would be above the arches of the stadiums there. We might see it later in the day, maybe this time of year. If it
Guys,
comes out,
Mom,
it's typically gonna be later in the
we
day.
going to
Once the
hotel?
clouds kind of
Yeah, we're gonna
burn
stop in
off
the
of
gift
it.
store and then we'll go to the
So-
hotel.
I want to go in there.
Yeah, well, it's a little cold.
Yes? Or not?
No.
I want to.
You're gonna be wet.
I want to. Please, Mommy.
No, we can't go in it.
Alright, okay, let's get it ready for you then.
Great. Set it up right here.
Alright, so you wanna hit this one? You wanna hit that one? Okay.
Do you want to hit it here, babe?
Show them how to do it.
What's
Pretty
Oh,
close.
shoot, right here. You wanna shoot it?
Oh God! Watch out! Someone can take it out for the pool stick.
Oh,
Charlotte, come over here.
That's a good shot.
Ready?
No, I'm going to do it.
Oh yeah,